Welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm gonna be unboxing the ORAIMO 20,000 AMH power bank. So actually there's actually a new feature. This actually outdated because we have 40,000 mAh now. So let's unbox it real quick. Yep, the wrong way. So we have the cord and the power bank, the main thing here. So actually at the cover of this they wrote high capacity, that is the features of the power bank, but that is bullshit for now. So you all, like, from my experience, I'm gonna talk about my experience with this thing. So it has two USB ports and two charging points, which is type A and type A and type C. So look at it real quick. Yep, sure. Alright, so actually this actually comes with a touch, and actually it takes about 8 hours to full, like if it's dead. But I have a way in which you can use 4 hours to fill this power bank up, which I'll show you at the end of this video, so stick to the end. So currently now we're having 4 lights in the power bank. That is due to the way I used to charge it. It's actually fast. So this power bank, actually one light carries about 50%, which means the whole thing is about 200%. Like that is, it could fill up 2 phones. Yeah, technically. And also it is black. It doesn't have a particular color here. So actually this one is actually black brown. So yeah, that's all I have, like the experience I have with this power bank. But now for the bonus tip, I actually promise you that I'm gonna show you how you could charge this power bank fast within 4 hours. Is I use 2 cords to charge it since they have 2 ports. Like literally, that's the sense I use. So you all could see this. This is actually a type A charger, type C charger, sorry. Then this is a type A charger, that is a normal Android charger. This is actually a Samsung charger, and this one is an Android charger for my Android phone. You can see that. So what I actually do is I plug it like this, then charge it. So it actually takes about 4 hours to charge it. So if you all like got a bonus tip on it, if you all think this is a helpful tip, you all should leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. And also if you want to order this,
So I actually forgot that the power bank actually on touch, so I'm actually showing you the overview of the setup on how to do it. But for now, if you're interested to get this power bank, there's gonna be the first link in the description is going to be what you're gonna use my promo code. No, just click it and buy it. You're gonna get 5% off on the price of the power bank. And also, the second link in the description is also explore the ORAIMO stuff, because ORAIMO is everything I use. I have the ORAIMO headset, ORAIMO headphones, ORAIMO how do you call it again? All of it. Like all the ORAIMO things, if you want, is gonna be on the second link in the description. But for now, I can't put any link in the description in this video because I literally at 6 subscribers. So you all should like subscribe, like the video so that I'll be able to put the link so that you can buy this online, or go to the nearest shop to buy this online period. I know this video isn't sponsored by ORAIMO, so you all don't forget to subscribe. Bye for now.